Welcome to my apartment here in Istanbul, and today we're going to tour it and I'll show you all around. So here behind me we have a kitchen, a full-size kitchen that you can use while you visit Istanbul. As you can see, we have everything. We have a boiler, and let's not forget about the mini fridge. If you're more a microwave person, you have it too. And this is not very common, but you have as well a dishwasher. And if you're spending about 4 to 5 days like myself, this is a must-have. So as you can see, the kitchen is a full-size kitchen, has everything you need, and you can use it every day to cook if you're up to it. And it's a very good feature to have here in Istanbul if you're passing here a lot of time. So now we're going to see the bathroom. Let's go. So here in the bathroom we have everything as well. So we have a sink with a lot of cabinet storage, and we have a hair dryer as well. So it's very useful. We have as well the shower and the cupboard, and this unit has a window, so it's very good for air ventilation. So now we're going to see the living room. If you're following the channel for a while, you can see that the living room is almost the same size as my previous studio in Switzerland. And as you can see here, the living room is not only a living room, but also a dining room. So you have 4 chairs, a table to lunch, and you have as well a sofa, a huge sofa with a TV, a LCD TV, and you have as well a tea table. So you feel very comfortable here. The apartment is actually T1. It has a bathroom and a living room, a kitchen, a full-size kitchen, and a bathroom. So behind the camera, we have a full-size mirror for you to dress up and see if you're good, looking good to go out. And the last room of this apartment is the bathroom. So let's see the bedroom now. The bedroom of this apartment is not huge, but you can fit a full-size bed, a wardrobe, and 2 side tables, and actually has a TV as well. So the wardrobe is enough to store the clothes of 2 people. And if you're like me, I just save my clothes in the bag. That way I don't have that much work to do. But if you're traveling solo or with a partner, this is an ideal apartment for you because it has a full-size bed with 2 side tables, a living room, a dining room, a bathroom, and a kitchen, a full-size kitchen. And I think we have another thing to see. It's the balcony. This apartment has as well a balcony. So let's check it out. Okay, so the balcony is not huge, but it's sufficient for you to go out and breathe a little air. So let's open the doors. So as you can see, the balcony, it's not huge, but it's enough for you to uh, sit here. You can sit here, right? Take a coffee and watch the locals living their life. You watch a lot of cats here in the streets as well, and dogs, unfortunately. And you have a view there that you can watch over the city. It's not very clear, but it's a nice view to have with a very low budget. So here you have it, my apartment here in Istanbul. I'm using this apartment for about 5 days, and I'm paying about 200 euros for all the days included. And I think it's actually awesome because I'm saving a lot of money in food because I can eat at home. I don't do it often, but I do it sometimes like I would at home. And that's a very luxurious thing to have. So if you're looking to travel to Istanbul, renting an apartment, an entire apartment, is not that expensive, and sometimes it's cheaper than renting out an hotel room. So if you come to Istanbul, rent an entire apartment, you will not regret it, and you have a lot more advantages, and you can find really good prices and in very central areas like Taksim, where I'm staying now, but in other areas as well for a very small price. So I hope you enjoyed this tour, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.